Hey guys, welcome back to our ongoing PJ Trailer Safety Series. It is important to regularly inspect, service, and maintain your PJ dump trailer. Today we'll discuss general maintenance items and what to inspect at various intervals over the life of your trailer. As we've said before, it's important to do a visual inspection of any trailer before every tow. But with the additional moving components of a hydraulic dump trailer, it's especially important to do a quick pre-use inspection to ensure that everything will run smoothly for the job. Start from the front of the trailer and work your way back. Visually check the coupler, hitch ball, locking device, and safety chains for cracks, pits, or other failures. If the locking device is compromised in any way, do not pull your trailer. Replace and grease these parts as necessary. We recommend that before each use, you coat the hitch ball with a thin layer of automotive bearing grease to reduce wear and ensure proper operation. Next, check the tire tread and the air pressure. Check the lug nuts and hub on the wheels and ensure they are tight. For new and remounted wheels, check the torque after the first 10, 25, and 50 miles of driving. Before loading your dump, raise the dump bed and do a visual inspection of the hydraulic system. Check along the hydraulic lines and the cylinder to ensure that there are no leaks or loose lines. Be sure to regularly lubricate the cylinder ends and the scissor mechanism. Open the toolbox to look for battery corrosion and to visually check the hydraulic pump for leaks. To get the most out of your PJ dump trailer, lubricate the doors and the dump body pivots each month. Also be sure to check the tarp for tears and rips. If there's a significant tear that can compromise the tarp, talk to your dealer about purchasing a replacement. It's a good idea to pull out the ramps and do a quick visual inspection to make sure that they're not warped or damaged. Lastly, check all brake, running, and signal lights. Replace the bulbs if necessary. Every 6 months or roughly 5,000 to 6,000 miles, rotate and thoroughly inspect your tires. Check the tread and the sidewall. If the treads are too worn or the sidewall is bulging, it's time to replace the tire. Check out our tire safety video for more information on tire maintenance. Each year or 12,000 miles, check the brakes for scoring and wear. Also, be sure to grease the gears of the drop leg jack. Take a look at the overall structure of the trailer. Thoroughly inspect all frame members, bolts, and rivets. Repair or replace any damaged, worn, or broken parts. If you have questions about the condition or the method of the repair, check with your dealer. Also, be sure to check the welds at each point to ensure that no cracks or breaks have occurred. Any weld can fail when subjected to cargo shift from improper securement. If you suspect that this has occurred, immediately inspect the welds and the fasteners for damage. Each year, be sure to disassemble and inspect the wheel bearings. If at any point the bearings were immersed in water, replace them immediately. Lastly, take a look at the rims. Check them for cracks and dents. If you find that they are compromised in any way, replace them before hauling any sizable load. If there is maintenance that you feel uncomfortable performing, don't hesitate to reach out to your dealer for maintenance advice or repairs. For more information on PJ dump trailer safety, check out our safety video playlist. Stay tuned for more in our continuing trailer safety series, and as always, stay safe out there. Thanks guys.